Alright, and before you give me any of your wishes, I've heard it all. Don't wish for more wishes. I don't want to bring anyone back from the dead, and I can't kill anybody, okay?
That's it? Those are your only rules?
Why are you saying it like that? Yes, those are my only rules.
No reason. No reason at all.
What are you writing down? What are you doing? What's going on here?
I'm just making a list of some things that I want.
That's like 7 things already. I told you, don't wish for more wishes.
I'm not wishing for more wishes. So I wish that everything on this piece of paper would come true.